Hey guys, this week and next week, I'm going to try to do this really quick because I don't have a whole lot of time. But this week and next week, Kroger currently is running a big digital deal. There were quite a few that I picked up, but I wanted you guys to know about the Arm & Hammer if you need washing powder. These currently have a digital coupon that you can add from your app. If you don't have it, add it to your phone. It's awesome. But it will make each of these $1.99 a piece, which is awesome. Okay. And it was good. It looks like it's actually good for this week. And then you can go back again and use that digital next week, or I don't know, whenever you guys want to try, because I did this deal earlier this week and the coupon's still available. So I can go back. The max is $5 on that $1.99 deal. The Angel Soft. This deal ends this Saturday, which will probably be tomorrow because I'm going to upload this tonight. They currently are $2.49. There's a 50-cent coupon and Walgreens little coupon booklet, and most of the time you can find that at the cash register or right when you walk in at the front of the store, and it makes each pack of tissue $1.99, and it's 9 rolls. They're septic safe. I always wait for Walgreen to do this deal or similar deals. This is the tissue that I use for the most part. I think it's pretty good. And if you guys want to start looking into that and kind of staying up on that, you can really build your stockpile by tracking how often Walgreens has this sale or other sales, because they do different variations of it, but they do it often. I want to say within the past 2 months, I've been in there every month, twice a month for those sales. So I picked up 5 of these, and I might actually go back and get 3 more before the sale is over. Everything else that you guys are seeing came from CVS. This was basically a scenario that I figured out based off of the digital coupons I have from the CVS app. So I'm going to go ahead and go through those with you guys. So, typically Wednesday or Thursday, they upload a percentage off coupon for me or some type of extra care bucks or something, $2 off beauty. I took those plus the digitals that I already had on there from the CVS card and just got what I needed. You know, I really encourage you guys to start doing that. Track sales definitely, and a look at scenarios of other couponers, but try starting to figure them out on your own. So both of these brand of makeup, I like them a lot. They work well to be drugstore brands. They work really, really well, and they're inexpensive. I had, let's see, let me look at it. I had a $2 off. These are specific to the beauty products. I had $2 off any beauty product. And I'm thinking and a 4 off of 20 for cosmetics. That's what it's labeled as. The Summer's Eve had $2 off. The Tide, which is definitely not currently on sale, but I just mixed that in there because I knew I had a larger percentage coupon off. And I think, let's see, no, that one didn't have one specific, but I did use a 32% off coupon. And there were 3 or 4 that came off for the Aveeno lotion and the Palmer's lotion. There was one Aveeno that was $2 off. That's a manufacturer's coupon. One Palmer's that was $1 off. That was a manufacturer's coupon. $3 off of $10 spent on lotion. That came off. $2 off of Aveeno lotion. That came off. And then I also had $10 in extra care bucks, you guys. So after all of the discounts, I ended up paying $29.81, and I got back a $5 extra care buck that was attached to, I think it was one of the Milani or the Elf products. It's $5 off when you spend so much. I think it was $12 or $15. And I'm looking at what the total was, you guys. The total savings on the CVS items, you guys, was, where is it? 58%, and a total of $30.42. I'm pretty sure that this triggered my beauty rewards. So in a couple of days, I'll probably have another $3. And I don't remember if I told you guys that when I was checking out at the bottom of receipt, I'm sorry, there was also a $6 off of $30 coupon. So all of those I'm going to use. I'm going to sit down, look at the CVS circular for next week. If you have the app, you can preview those. I think starting today, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure you can preview it now, and you can kind of start building your scenario. I knew and know what my family needs, and since the beginning of the year, I've been trying to stockpile laundry detergent. CVS is a really good place to go. And when Kroger has those deals, but they're not always available, but CVS is a really good place to go. Regular price, the laundry detergent is super expensive. It's higher than the grocery store. But after stacking like the percentage off coupon that I had, the most I've had for that was like 40% off. You get one of those bad boys. Stack that with the manufacturer's coupon, the extra care bucks that may be attached, because Tide and Gain often have extra care bucks attached just off and on. The discounts are really, really good. So that's a good tip. Start looking in CVS and trying to hone your couponing skills to build your laundry stockpile. Same thing with the tissue. But lately, Walgreens has been on it. So I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.